Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, comparisons, and automotive updates. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at one of the most affordable and popular hatchbacks, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. The Alto 800 has been a trusted name for years, especially among first-time car buyers and small families. It is known for its compact design, low maintenance cost, and excellent fuel efficiency. The 2026 version is expected to continue this legacy with updated styling, improved features, and better comfort while remaining budget-friendly. Let's explore everything this compact car has to offer. Artist palette design and exterior, simple and city-friendly. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 comes with a simple yet modern design that perfectly suits urban driving. The car may feature a refreshed front grille, stylish headlights, and a redesigned bumper, giving it a clean and updated look. Its compact size is one of its biggest advantages. The small dimensions make it extremely easy to drive through crowded streets and narrow lanes. Parking is also very convenient, even in tight spaces. The lightweight body and practical design make the Alto 800 a perfect choice for daily commuting. While it may not look sporty, it focuses on functionality and ease of use, which is exactly what most city drivers need. Couch and lamp interior and comfort, practical and user-friendly. Inside the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800, the cabin is designed to be simple and practical. The car offers seating for 4 to 5 passengers, making it suitable for small families. The dashboard layout is clean and easy to use, with controls placed conveniently for the driver. The updated model may include features like a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, air conditioning, and power windows in higher variants. The seats are comfortable enough for daily use, and the upright seating position provides good visibility of the road. The car